today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down here, click on library down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your library. It's going to show for you like this here. So you go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So you go above this sign, click on it, and you just click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to notifications here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here. You click on notifications. So then you come to next step here. You come to show notifications. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see, color is gone. As many notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.